How to make her miss you like crazy. We've removed the uncertainty for you. Here's a clear guide on how to make her long for you intensely. Whether you're starting a new relationship or seeking ways to maintain excitement in a long-term one, it's entirely natural to desire to understand how to evoke a sense of longing in her and ensure you occupy her thoughts. When approached with sincerity and good intentions, making someone miss you isn't manipulative. It's a healthy means of keeping the passion alive in a relationship and cultivating that honeymoon sensation of yearning, which truly builds anticipation for your next meeting. Regardless of whether you're navigating a long-distance relationship or simply aiming to intensify the romantic chemistry in your partnership, here are some tips on how to make her eagerly long for your presence. How to make her miss you. 1. Leave her wanting more. If your goal is to make a woman miss your presence, it's important to maintain an air of mystery and avoid divulging every detail about yourself during the initial stages of dating. Additionally, consider managing the time you spend together, allowing for moments of separation to give her opportunities to think about you. This doesn't imply neglecting to see her altogether, but rather finding a balance that fosters anticipation during your time apart. Furthermore, refrain from disclosing your entire life story right away. Instead, aim to pique her curiosity and gradually reveal more about yourself with each interaction, encouraging her to become increasingly interested in getting to know you better. 2. Don't be glued to your phone. Although it's important to be responsive to her messages and calls, it's equally essential not to inundate her with constant texts and calls. It's advisable to regulate your phone interactions because if you're available round the clock, she might assume you have no other commitments. When you do engage with her, ensure that your conversations are meaningful and memorable. Aim to create moments that leave her laughing and feeling cherished, so that she eagerly anticipates the occasions when you can engage in face-to-face conversations. 3. Give each other some alone time every once in a while. Being in constant company with her can deprive her of the opportunity to miss you, potentially diminishing her interest in you. It's vital not to neglect aspects of your life such as spending time with friends and family or pursuing your hobbies. This not only prevents you from losing yourself in the relationship but also demonstrates that you have a diverse and fulfilling life outside of any potential romantic involvement. Moreover, it's a sign of respect for her and her life beyond the potential relationship. By limiting your time together, you can make the moments you do spend with her all the more precious, intensifying her longing for you when you are apart. Remember, you can't long for something you already possess. Therefore, establish a sort of power dynamic that indicates she may need to invest some effort on her part if she wishes to get closer to you. 4. Make sure the two of you have a fun time together. When you plan an enjoyable date that creates positive memories for her, it's only natural for her to desire a repeat experience with you. Engaging in fun activities on these dates will leave her yearning for the time you both spent together, making her unable to stop thinking about the prospect of going out with you again. Having a fantastic time together, sprinkled with just the right amount of flirting to keep things exciting, will also pique her romantic interest. She'll notice the absence of a physical connection and find herself craving more in-person moments with you. 5. Check in with her sometimes. Exercise caution to avoid creating such a significant distance that she begins to doubt your motives and the authenticity of your connection. To remain on her thoughts, occasionally reach out with calls and texts to inquire about her well-being and recent activities. This gesture will be greatly valued as it demonstrates your genuine concern for her, her welfare, and the events unfolding in her life. It shows that you are thinking about her without intruding into her personal space in an overly intrusive manner. 6. Play hard to get, but don't play games. To create a sense of longing in her psyche, you may need to employ a subtle touch of playing hard to get. Ensure that you're not consistently available and convey the message that you have commitments, yet you're willing to carve out time for her within your busy schedule. This approach helps her recognize the value of your time and fosters genuine appreciation for your willingness to prioritize her in your life. When you do spend time together, make it memorable by treating her with kindness, expressing your feelings, and showing genuine interest in her life through thoughtful questions. During your interactions, adhere to proper dating etiquette, including keeping your phone off the table. This demonstrates that you are not only respectful but also fully present, dispelling any impression of being too preoccupied to allocate sufficient time in your life for a woman. 7. Give her great memories with you. If you aim to create a longing for your presence when you're apart, your most effective approach is to share quality moments together, crafting memorable experiences that remain etched in her mind. Illustrate that life with you is more vibrant, enjoyable, and intriguing. Be an attentive listener during your conversations, and explore new and unique places together, possibly brainstorming some inventive yet not overly unconventional date ideas that offer both of you fresh and shared experiences. Additionally, ensure that you're the last thought on her mind at night by sending a considerate text. A simple message like, "I had a wonderful time with you tonight, I hope you have a restful night," can leave a lasting impression. 8. Give her something that reminds her of you. You can keep her thoughts occupied with you by presenting her with a gift or something that belongs to you. Even a basic item like a t-shirt or hoodie from your collection can trigger constant thoughts of you, as she'll long for your presence and the familiar scent embedded in the clothing. Alternatively, consider giving her a necklace, a book, or curate a special playlist exclusively for her. When she wears, reads, or listens to these thoughtful gifts, it will serve as a reminder of you, ensuring that you occupy her mind. 9. Be sweet to her. It may appear straightforward, yet a man who possesses the ability to show respect and treat a woman well is undeniably attractive and a significant source of attraction for women. She seeks assurance that you are a kind-hearted individual who will treat her with care, and this quality is highly appealing in a potential partner. You must offer her a compelling reason to appreciate your company, and ultimately, your authentic personality will be the deciding factor in winning her over, so let it shine brightly. 10. Surprise her. Fun and thrilling surprises never fail to captivate every woman's heart. There's an enchanting allure to a thoughtful surprise that significantly heightens our attraction to the person we're in a relationship with. When you embark on outings together, take the initiative to meticulously arrange a small, heartfelt surprise tailored to her preferences. This thoughtful gesture will deepen her longing for you during your separations, and she'll excitedly share it with her friends, keeping her thoughts centered on you, and only you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.